Hi guys, this is Claire from JNC Tutorial, and today we are going to edit the responsive HTML that we have done last time for our blogger. And of course, before we do that, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button for you to be notified for our next educative videos. So now let's go to our tutorial. So you have to go to Google and sign in. Click next. And we are going to go to our blogger. Okay, so this is the post that where I done the responsive blogger before, so I'll open that up. If you haven't done this yet, you can check my other video how to create this. Just check out the pop-up message on your right top corner of your screen. So now let's learn about this table. So go to the HTML and go to the very top. You can see this is the a code for your table. So you will see here board spacing 1 pixel. So if you're gonna, the board spacing is this one is spacing, you know, the border. Okay, so if you try to change the number, but my advice is when you're changing, make sure you know what's the original number or any information written in there, so that in case you get mistake or anything, you can come back and edit from the original. Okay, let's say you have to take note board spacing. I got a notepad here. Board spacing equals to 1 pixel. It's just an example, guys, but it's very easy anyway. So we can change that to, say, 8. Now if you can see here in the compose, you will see that the spacing is getting bigger. Okay, so that's the board spacing. So I'll come back. Okay, I'll leave that like that. Now the color. Me myself, I don't know the code of the colors, so this is just a bird's eye view of how you're going to find the right color that you want. So you need to do is just click update for the meantime, because we're going out, and here in the theme you will see customize. Okay, this is how I do it because I don't have any idea about the colors as well. So the background, you can see, let me see in the advanced, there you are. So in the advanced, you will see different colors here, and they have also the coding. So let's say if you want green, so this is the coding. Okay, you just need to copy, highlight it, and copy, or you can press Ctrl+C in your keyboard, or you can use the right click and then copy. And then I don't want to apply. This looks like we're doing background. Anyway, I'll come back with that. So you just need to go back to your post. So there you are, you go back in there. Okay, and you have to edit your post again. Now try to change this. Okay, you erase. If you want that color, if I were you, you copy it first, okay, and then put it in your notepad like what I did earlier, and then you just erase this, and then you press Ctrl V, or you can also right click your paste. You see Ctrl V is paste, so put it there and see how this looks like. So you see that the font turned to green, so that's the font. Okay, now now the padding. Okay, the padding is 3 pixels. If you, okay, just take a look closely. Okay, the padding is this one here on the sides. Okay, let's look closely. If you change the number to 9, let's see how it looks like. Nothing much. And how about if you put it into like 0 padding? It doesn't change much either. Okay, so anyway, we'll put it back to 3. So the width, because the padding won't change because of the width, so it's 100%. So you just need to change to 50. Okay, and see how does it look like. See that it's getting smaller. Okay, so if you put 75, this is how it looks like. But I would recommend to put it 100 because it will occupy your whole page, you know what I mean, and it will show up as like a nice aligned in your page. Okay, so that's how the table is coded. Okay, now if this is the first row, okay, the first row like this. The first row will start at the TR and end up with /TR. Okay, so as I have said, if you want to change the color, same thing that we have done earlier, so just put update. Okay, and go to the theme, and then theme customize. But if you are very good in codings and you know the coding color, you can do that as well. So let's say I will use yellow, so I'm just gonna highlight the yellow. To highlight is Ctrl A, or you right click as well and then copy, and then just go back to Blogger because I don't want to save it on my website. Now go to your post again and edit, and then you have to change, okay, the color. Then you have to copy and you have to paste it, the one that you have copied in the theme. You just need to change all of this background. If you want to do it in uniform, but if you don't want uniform color, you can change each and every one of this. Okay, so if you're gonna see it in the compose, the heading part changed to yellow now. Okay, so basically from this TR to the TR /TR, it's the one column. Okay, so this TH to /TH is this first box. Okay, the second one here, the first th to the end /th is the second box. So you get it now. Okay, now so basically the th means the header. Okay, the header is the top. Okay, but you notice on the second column now there is teddy. All are teddies, so these are the teddies. Okay, so the same thing you're going to do actually in this. All right, you just need to experiment it. Okay, see how much, if you change the height, how much will it change, you know. So that's all you need to do. Just make sure that whatever is the preset, you have to remember them before changing, so that if you get mistakes, you can easily amend them. All right. Yeah, so I just recommend that you just try to change everything and how does it looks in the table. Now, if you want to change your writings, you can easily do it here in the Compose. You don't need to do it in the HTML. So go to the Compose. Let's say header. You want it all big letters, and then if you want to change the font, you can do that. You can do that in a Courier. Okay, you should highlight first actually. Okay, so it will change. If and if you want it, you know, the size, you can do that. And one thing I want you to teach is how to put pictures. Okay, with pictures, all you need to do is just erase this and then click the picture button. I would advise that your pictures, if you're putting lots of pictures, it should be the same sizes all the time, because otherwise it will deform the table. Well, if you like it in different sizes, it doesn't matter to you, that's fine. But if you want it uniform, make sure you have the same sizes of pictures. So you just need to go to your files and find the pictures that you want to add, like say this one. Okay, got that, and it will go inside your table. Same with this. If you want to put, you just click again and then find it in your files. Yeah, I'm just looking for the same size, but I'm not sure if these are the same size. See, there are different sizes. So if you want to have a uniform one, you have to put the same sizes. But I'm just showing you how to put the pictures inside the table. So that's how you do it. So let us see. Let's click update. Okay, and then let's see the pose, how this looks like. There you are. So you can see that the pictures are all there. Okay guys, so I'm trying to get the photos that are of the same size, so we'll check this. Okay, so that's one. Alright, get the second one. So these are just example photos, okay, the same sizes. And the third one, so let's try to update it and see how it looks like. Okay, just click the pose again and then view the one that we did. Okay, so you notice that the picture doesn't look right. Okay, there looks squash. So this is the tricks that you're going to do in order to fit it in the box. Okay, so go back to your Blogger. Okay, and then so go back to your Blogger, and then go back to the HTML. Okay, so this is the information that you have entered on the second column. Okay, if you notice the TD and the end of the TD, okay, so that's the one box. Alright, and this href is your picture, the code of your picture. If you notice here, there is a height and width, so I would advise you to change it to auto so that it will automatically adjust to the height of the box, the height in the auto. So do this on all of your pictures. Okay, and this is the second, the teddy and the td/teddy is the second column, and this is the second code of your picture, a herb. Okay, and go again to the height and width, so just put auto. Okay, and the width auto. Okay, so that's the second picture, and the third picture is the third teddy and /teddy, and inside it this is a heart. Find the height. You notice that is the data original height, so don't change those things. The data original, only the height. Okay, those are the original size of the photos, and this is the edited size of your photos. And go back to the compost. Okay, and then it looks okay, doesn't change anything at all. But if you're going to update the Blogger and check that, you will see some changes. Click view, and now your picture has adjusted to the size of the column. Okay, so you notice there is a gray color and you want to remove this. All you need to do is go back to your Blogger again, and if you want to turn it into white, you can just adjust. Do things again, the same thing I have taught you earlier. You see there is a background. Okay, see some background here, so you need to change that one. So you need to go, we will update this first. You need to go to the theme. Okay, theme, customize, and then I want it white actually, so but it depends on you which color you want, so just put advanced, or I want transparent. Okay, I like transparent instead. We'll see. Oh, it will say transpire. I don't see any white at all actually. Is this the white? Ah, this is the white, okay. Sorry guys. This is the white. The FFF. We'll try this one. So just copy. Just copy it. And leave and go back to your post again and then paste those code. I just really want to see how it looks without the background. Okay, there you go. There's no background anymore. Update, and then let's check how does it look like. Press view. There you go. So there, if you notice, there's no color, and it looks like there's only like this margin, the white margin in between. So guys, this is how you do your responsive HTML table and how to edit them. If you have any questions or comments down below, just let me know, and I will try my best to help you. I have one more tutorial to do. This is how to edit how to put some coding in the HTML to show the images. But I'm going to show that to you in my next video, and if you're interested, you can check it out later, and you might probably learn more about HTML table. So guys, this is for now. It's too long already, I know. But if you have any question, just leave a comment below. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. You can see it in the page, below the video. Just click the subscribe button and you will be notified of our next educative videos. And I hope to see you once again. So for the meantime, bye for now.